In this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable offline mode in Ubisoft Connect. This recent update, they didn't implement the offline method. The first step that you have to do is to head into your Windows key, click your Windows, and then type in Run. Now select this system application, and then type in this local app beta and click the OK button. Once you're in this interface, you have to scroll down or find the Ubisoft game launcher. And then here is it. Here in the settings state YAML, we're gonna be editing the offline mode. So open this by double clicking it and then open it using your notepad. Now I want you to search for offline. Click the Ctrl F and then type in offline and set this false word to true. Now click the file and then save this. Click the save button and click yes. Now exit this and then click the settings again and then right click and click B. Show more options, the properties. Here you have to set the read only. Check the read only and then click the apply button and then click the OK button. Now let's head into our Ubisoft Connect. Let's exit this first and then open again the Ubisoft Connect. And basically, as you can see, the client is now offline, and that's how you can turn on or enable offline mode in Ubisoft Connect. And thank you for listening.